Hi guys, welcome back. It's Thursday, so I'm back with another video. If you're new here, my name is Melissa Crafter and I create custom epoxy free tumblers along with other crafts. In this week's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this custom beer can glass, to which I added this fun monstera design on. To make this design, I used Teckwrap's holographic adhesive vinyl as well as Teckwrap's color changing vinyl. So that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Really quick, I want to show you guys the holographic rainbow adhesive vinyls that Teckwrap offers on their website. I used the one on the left-hand side, which is the glossy silver. I do have a discount code with Teckwrap. You can use promo code MelissaCrafter10 at checkout for 10% off of your order. I'll link the Teckwrap website along with my discount code in the video description. This here is their code color changing vinyl. This vinyl gives a unique surprise to your craft projects. When chilled below 59 degrees Fahrenheit, it will change colors. Here you can see me using an ice cube to show you how each vinyl will change colors. The Teckwrap website is filled with quality vinyl and lots of great weeding tools, so definitely be sure to check them out. Really quick, I want to show you guys where I got the cut file from. It is an SVG and I purchased it off Etsy. The shop name is Billy L. Co. and here is the one I purchased. It was $2.17 and I bought it and I downloaded it to my computer. So here I am on Cricut Design Space. It was already pre-sized to fit my 16-ounce beer can glass and it was ready to cut. It is a two separate cut SVG design, so it's going to cut the leaves out first and then the outline. So now I'm going to go ahead and send it off to my Cricut Explore Air 2 to cut it out. So here I'm loading my Teckwrap standard tack cutting mat with my color changing vinyl. I'm loading my mat here with each vinyl according to my mat on Cricut Design Space. I am first going to do the leaves, which I'm going to be using the color changing vinyl in the color green. All Teckwrap vinyl comes with this clear protective sheet on top of it, so you want to make sure you remove that before you cut out your vinyl. So here's my cutting machine cutting out my vinyl. I did put this on the custom cut setting and I am using the holographic vinyl cut setting with the pressure on the blade on more. So now I'm loading my cutting mat with my holographic vinyl to cut out my other part of my SVG, which is the monstera leaves outline. So here is my cutting machine cutting out my holographic vinyl. I do have the cutting dial on custom and I put it on holographic with the pressure on the blade on more. So here my cutting machine has cut out both parts of my design and now I'm going to remove the excess vinyl using my weeding tools. To weed my design, I'm going to be using my Teckwrap weeding pen. I really love this weeding pen. It has a sharp stainless steel tip that allows precise weeding down to the smallest detail. You can find this weeding pen on the Teckwrap Craft website. I'll link it down below as well as everything else that I use in this video. I'm going to speed up the video and play some background music because this did take a while to weed out. Now that I have both parts of my decal weeded out, I'm going to take some transfer tape and begin to put both parts together. The transfer tape is the same size as my design here, and I'm going to take my squeegee and just press down on my transfer tape to make sure that it adheres well to my vinyl. I then remove the backing, and now I'm going to layer both of my SVG parts together. To layer them together, I'm going to be using the parchment paper method or parchment paper hack. What you do is you place a piece of parchment paper on top of the bottom layer of your decal. You then put your top layer on top. You'll be able to see through the parchment paper. Don't worry, your vinyl won't stick on the paper. The parchment paper helps you move your vinyl pieces around until you find the correct placement. You do want to leave a piece of that top layer exposed on the left-hand side without parchment paper underneath, so that you can adhere that part down once you find the correct placement. You can then remove your parchment paper and adhere your top layer to your bottom layer. I am then going to go ahead and remove the backing off my vinyl. And here I have my full wrap decal ready to be applied to my cup. So here are the cups that I'm going to be using. These are 16-ounce beer can glass cups. I did purchase them on Amazon. I'll link them down below in the video description. I also purchased the bamboo lids and glass straws from Amazon. I'll link those down below as well. I am going to go in with an alcohol prep pad and clean my cup, just to be sure that my cup is clean and my vinyl will adhere well onto my cup. Now it's time to place my decal on my cup. I'm using my scraper, my squeegee, to press down all the way around to make sure that my decal adheres on well. Now that it's on, I'm going to begin to slowly remove my transfer tape. And there you have it. This is such a fun way to make a custom cup. I like how both of these vinyls came together to make this really cool custom design. That is it for this video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask down in the comment section. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I do upload a new video every Thursday. Thank you guys so much for watching.